It's that time of year again. Santa's on his way and you're eagerly awaiting his arrival. Why not make your camera a little more festive this year? Here's a quick guide on how to change the audio on your active deterrence camera, so when Santa triggers that intrusion zone or tripwire, he is greeted with a cheerful Christmas song. First, find a short 30-second MP3 or WAV file of a Christmas jingle depending on the camera being used. Log into your recorder. Go to your audio section. In the file management settings, change the type to remote. Select the channel to which you wish to add the jingle. Upload your jingle by clicking on Select Audio File and then click Apply. Next, navigate to AI. Under Parameters, ensure your smart plan is enabled if applicable. Then go to IVS. Locate your channel. Ensure you have an intrusion zone or tripwire enabled. Check the camera audio option and click on Settings. Find your jingle from the list, set your playtime and click OK, then click Apply. You are now set. Sit back and wait for Santa to make an appearance. Once the zone is triggered, you will jingle all the way.